Namaskar, welcome to Daily Weather Briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today, a western disturbance lies in the mid-tropospheric levels over the East Afghanistan area, and an induced cyclonic circulation lies over southwest Rajasthan, a neighborhood area in lower levels. Because of that, in this satellite picture, the cloud convection which are approaching from the Afghanistan and Pakistan area towards the Indian region can be seen. And in the Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area lies over the central parts of the South Bay of Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean. Because of this low pressure area, moderate to intense convection over many parts of the central parts of South Bay of Bengal can be seen. And today's highlights are: one is the low pressure area over central parts of South Bay of Bengal, and this low pressure area very likely to move towards the Tamil Nadu coast and concentrate into a depression during next 48 hours. And another main highlight of the day is wet spell over the western Himalayan region and adjoining plains during next 2 days. If we see the low pressure area, which is over the central parts of South Bay of Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean, this low pressure area is very likely to become well marked low pressure area during next 24 hours, and it will further concentrate into a depression during subsequent 24 hours. And this system is likely to move west northwestwards towards the Sri Lanka coast during next 24 hours, and thereafter it will move towards the Tamil Nadu coast during subsequent 24 hours. Under the influence of this low pressure area and its likely movement towards the Tamil Nadu coast, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at many places over the Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, which will start from today evening and up to the 6th of March. And there also will be the light rainfall at a few places with thunderstorm and lightning activity over the south coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Kerala and Mahe on 4th, 5th and 6th of March. Because of the system, there also will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 3rd of March, 4th March and 5th of March, and heavy rainfall on 6th of March. There is also possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal area on 4th of March. And as far as the south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema are concerned, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall on 4th and 5th of March. Because of this system over the Bay of Bengal and its movement towards the Tamil Nadu coast, there will be the strong wind, speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph, very likely to prevail over southwest and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal, alignment of Tamil Nadu, South Andhra Pradesh coast, Gulf of Mannar, and Comorian area during next 24 hours. There will be the strong wind of speed reaching 45 to 55 kmph over the southwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal, alignment of Tamil Nadu, South Andhra Pradesh coast, and Gulf of Mannar on 3rd of March. And thereafter there will be the squally weather, speed reaching 45 to 55 kmph over the west central and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal, alignment of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coast on 4th and 5th of March. And on 6th of March, there will be the strong wind only, speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph over the north Tamil Nadu and south Andhra Pradesh coast. So the fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas which are mentioned here. And if you look into the western disturbance, which is runs as a trough in westerlies roughly along 64° east and north of 26° north, and the induced cyclonic circulation over the southwest Rajasthan, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at many places and thunderstorm and lightning activity at isolated places, very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh during next 2 days, and over the light rainfall and snowfall at a few places over Uttarakhand on 3rd of March. There is also possibility of light rainfall at isolated places with thunderstorm and lightning activity over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, northeast Rajasthan on 2nd of March and 3rd of March, over the northwest Rajasthan on 2nd, and over the west Uttar Pradesh on 3rd of March. In addition to this, there also will be strong surface wind, speed reaching 25 to 35 kmph, very likely to prevail over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Rajasthan on 4th of March. And on 5th of March, strong surface winds will prevail over the most parts of the plains of northwest India. If you look into the weather warning in the graphical form, then the as far as the northwest India is concerned, uh, yellow color warning has been given for the Jammu and Kashmir for the 2 days, Punjab and Haryana for the next 2 days, and for the North Rajasthan for the next 24 hours. And there is also possibility of isolated hailstorm activity over the Punjab and Rajasthan, west particularly over northwest Rajasthan during next 24 hours. And in the South Peninsular India, the yellow color warning has been issued for the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema area for the 4th and 5th of March, and orange color warning because of the very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Tamil Nadu over on 4th and 5th of March. And yellow color warning because of the isolated thunderstorm activity and lightning activity over Kerala and of course the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema area has also been issued for the 4th, 5th and 6th of March. You can download the Mosam app for the location specific, Damini app for the lightning alert, and Mehdood app for the agro advisory services. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our Instagram page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information. Thank you.